Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. I'm trying to make this tutorial sexy and ooh, I'm so knowledgeable and stuff like this, but I can't. It's very basic to be honest. But the reason I want to show you it is because I've done the Z-depth pass and the Z-depth render AOVs. Just so you're aware, there actually is a Z-depth node, and this can be plugged directly into something like the albedo. I'm not entirely sure why you would use this or how handy it can actually be used. So if you have a better idea than me, by all means, please stick in the comments down below. You could maybe drive something like an infinitive plane using the Z-depth. But anyway, I just want to quickly show you this. The bottom range here is in meters. So for example, if I drop down to 50 meters, this should go completely white. Now one thing that we can do, for example, is drop in something like a gradient node and we can control the actual gradient. Might be good for doing something like a mist pass or something like this. But anyway, very quick video from me today, and this is a Z-depth node in Octane Blender. Anyway, you know what to do. Take care.